Welcome to the heart of Sarasota, where the past meets the present in a celebration of automotive excellence. For over 15 years, Classic Cars of Sarasota have been specializing not only in buying, selling and consigning of classic cars, but also in the heritage and legacy of these machines. As you enter, take a moment and explore the wonderful memorabilia that surround the beautiful featured cars inside reception. Step inside the grand showroom where rows of exceptionally restored classic cars and exotic European models stretch before you. From sought-after European luxury like the vintage Austin Healey 3000, maybe the 572 Hemi inside the iconic 69 Charger, perhaps the never-restored 63 Corvette. Or maybe you're like me and nothing beats a classic pickup. From the comfort of luxurious Italian leather to the beautiful trim and polished chrome, right down to the perfect stance of American muscle. These cars are more than just machines. They carry a legacy of their previous owners, classic car enthusiasts like yourself, people that have poured their heart into each and every restoration in the hope that their stories and legacy continues on. Here in the Sunshine State of Florida, that legacy continues at Classic Cars of Sarasota with Michael Burke.
The interest in classic cars is growing, and we're adapting by expanding our selection, embracing technology for restorations, which we have a great full-service shop up to upgrade your drivetrain or customize your vehicle to your dream car. But at the core, we always stay true to our roots, preserving the passion and the history that makes these cars special. To think we're different. We are the #1 classic dealership in Southwest Florida. It's not because we have the biggest showroom, but rather our commitment to quality and originality. Each car we bring in is carefully selected, restored to ensure our high quality standards. More importantly, we treat our customers as family. We want them to feel the same passion we have for these vehicles. It's about building relationships and sharing the love for classic cars. If you're ready to purchase your first or your next classic car, then follow your passion, do your research, connect with the community. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or simply appreciate classic cars, then take a walk inside the showroom. Let us be part of your journey.